Assalamualaikum students, hope you are all fine and well. According to today's lesson planner, we are going to continue our unit number 7 from scene 2. In scene 1, we learned that Mr. and Mrs. Malik are in the living room and there is a workman who is trying to hang a picture on the wall. After some time, another character appears who is Uncle Shams. Uncle Shams is there to attend the wedding ceremony of their daughter Samina. Uncle Shams says that he is there to help them in the preparations of the wedding. He tries to hang the picture on the wall, but he cracks the wall, breaks a chair and breaks a tile on the floor. After creating all this mess, he leaves the living room. Now let's know what happens in scene 2. When scene 2 starts, Uncle Shams enters the living room. The picture is on the wall, but Uncle Shams moves it so that it is not straight. He yawns and lies down. Mr. and Mrs. Malik enter and become furious at seeing the picture. Mrs. Malik says that they will call the workman again to fix it instead of taking help from Uncle Shams. Mrs. Malik calls him a walking disaster zone, a catastrophe waiting to happen and a nightmare. She says that they are not going to tolerate that man for several days. Mr. Malik says that after lunch they will plan to get rid of that man. Mrs. Malik says the sooner the better and leaves the living room. After she exits, Mr. Malik starts straightening the picture, but it falls to the floor. Then he also leaves the living room, and then Mr. Shams sits up, looks around quickly and then leaves by the other door. Scene 3 also takes place in the living room where Mr. and Mrs. Malik are present and they are watching the picture on the floor. Mr. Malik calls Uncle Shams for lunch, but Uncle Shams enters the living room with his suitcase and tells them that he is having an appointment back at home, so he will not be able to lunch with them. Uncle Shams is looking so disappointed and crestfallen that he is not going to stay there anymore. They offer him to stay there, but he leaves. After his departure, Mr. and Mrs. Malik start dancing with joy. After some time, a postman arrives. He sees them dancing through the window. Mrs. Malik notices and gets angry at the postman for coming so late and looking through the window. Upon which the postman gives several reasons for coming late. After the postman leaves, Mr. and Mrs. Malik opens the letter which was sent by Uncle Shams. Upon reading the letter, they come to know that he came to give them jewelry of his late wife. They begin to regret. When they were regretting on their misfortune, another character enters who is their daughter Samina. She asks about Uncle Shams and they tell that he was having an appointment at home, so he has left. Samina tells them that Uncle Shams came early in the morning and handed over a bag full of precious things to her. Mr. and Mrs. Malik were quite shocked at this news. Now read this amazing play and enjoy its dialogue, and we will discuss the question answers tomorrow, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.